Okay, right. My candy washing machine's not heating. I'm a bit gutted. Does anyone know why my candy washer does not heat up?
Occasionally. It's not done it for a while.
Please comment down below why my candy's not heating, because it says it's on 60 degrees but there's no heat to it and it's been going about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. No heat at all, it's just cold. Does anyone else who has a candy washer have this problem where it doesn't heat occasionally? Because I'm coming to the conclusion, shall I get a new washer or shall I not? Don't know. Comment down below what you think, please. I really need someone's help. See what problem it is.